Hello guys, so I'm gonna be fixing, you see that this is broken off, and then this one is actually being stick on by this sticky tape. So what I'm gonna do is actually to be replacing this two. So I got myself a 46 piece socket set. More importantly, I'm using top 30 and top 40. Okay, top 40 for this one and top 30 for this one. Alright, so I'm going to be removing this itself and also removing these trim pieces over here, just so that I can make changes to this sun visor that I just bought. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so once done, you see all these are held by all these clips, so you need to pry from this angle, and over here you need to disconnect this one, right? So it's the same for the other side, right? Just gonna disconnect. Okay. Okay, so the trick is to push in until the two pins over here align. Okay, so this one you gotta push it in. Okay, so finally done. So it's actually a very simple process, but taking slightly longer than expected because I think it's a little bit hard to do the insert for this one, this portion over here, whereby you have to insert. So that took longer than expected. So if not, I think the whole process is actually fairly simple lah. So if you want to know if you have so if you want to change your sun visor as well and you have any issue, feel free to drop me a message. We can see we can share my experience with you and then see how it goes. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.